His legacy is not measured in years or titles, but in the thousands of lives he touched. Today, we must carry forward his vision, a Meghalaya at peace with itself, united in purpose and soaring together, never leaving anyone behind. Let us honor Dr. Lapang not with words alone, but with our work. Not with promises alone, but with perseverance. On behalf of a grateful state, we bow our heads in reverence. Thank you, Dr. Lapang, for your dedicated service and for guiding us through your leadership. May the Almighty grant him eternal rest and provide strength to the bereaved family. May Dr. Lapang's memory be a guiding light for all in the years to come. Rest in eternal peace, Sir Lapang.